Hi guys, we're going to be making a strawberry shortcake, but this is all fake ingredients.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be making strawberry shortcakes. So first, you're going to get your milk. 1 second, I'm going to pour it in. You can kind of eyeball this one, really depends on how much you want to make. Okay, and now you're going to get your other ingredients. Okay, so you can get melted butter or you can get melted butter or you can get like regular butter. I'm going to get both because, oops, hit the camera, because why not? It doesn't hurt to get both types of butter. I have to wait because I'm like pouring out the butter right now, so give me 1 second. I only need like a little bit of melted butter, so the rest will be like thick butter or like a regular butter. And for your butter of choice, just do like regular butter. Like, you can pretty much find the butter anywhere. Moving on. You're gonna get some, oops, okay, so the butter I'm gonna get, so this is my thicker, like, butter, and then you can also get, like, other butters. It really depends on where you get your butter from. I am gonna make my butter, like, watered down with water, too. That is also your opinion. Okay, so I'm gonna throw in a chunk of butter that is melted. Why does it land like that? And I'm gonna crack 2 eggs. Okay, so here are the eggs. Okay. And now I'll be grabbing the like vanilla and fruits I need for this strawberry shortcake. So obviously I'm gonna use strawberry, vanilla, if you can't see it, it's like right in this corner down here. And I'm gonna need some vanilla. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna get a new tablespoon or whatever. Really want it nice. Okay, next, powdered sugar. You don't really have to do a lot of this, just like a little bit. Should be fine. And I'm gonna do a little bit of like coconut vanilla stuff. This is optional, coconut vanilla. Like, coconut and vanilla paste are really good. It's like coconut vanilla. I just squirted all over me. That's nice. Oh my gosh, it's not coming out of the bottle. I think I need to get a new one. They're on like a squirt tube. sorry, this is taking a very long time. I think I'm gonna get my other tube. Ew, why does it look like that? I think that's the end of it. I'm gonna scrape that out. Oh my gosh. There we go. And lastly, the batter for this one is going to be amazing. So, and I thought lastly, but I'm mistaken. Fruit slices. I almost forgot about them. Strawberries for strawberry shortcakes. This one's crazy. Okay. So now that you're done with that, you're gonna mixy all of that. Except I'm gonna add a little bit of water. It smells really good. I don't know why it's being so difficult. Oh, there it goes. This is a great batter. By the way, I made up this recipe, so it's very good. I'm just gonna put a little bit of food dye in since this is a strawberry shortcake. It's not looking like one. Okay, so mix. It should turn like a little pink color. You can do darker if you want, but this is my color I think I'm gonna do. Let me fully mix it in and then really determine. It's like everywhere, so sorry if it's like really close to the camera, but I don't really have much room. Neither. Okay, so we're gonna take that off camera. So here's the strawberry shortcake. Like dough, we still have to like cook it. Still super like doughy. Well, not really doughy, but like I want it doughy, but it's like liquidy still and like sticky. You don't want sticky dough, so keep on adding flour or something that's gonna thicken it up. Okay.
So after I get it all off my hands, it's gonna go in the oven on 350. Okay, time to go in the oven. Okay. So now we wait. Okay, it's done. It's out of the oven. This one really has like really good pops. Okay. Sorry, I had to go get something. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this stuff I found. Okay, so it is more fluffy now. Definitely more jiggly. So it is inflating a ton now, and this means it probably won't fit in the container, but oh well. This is so satisfying. It is like the perfect consistency. Anyways, guys, thank you for sticking around to watch me bake a strawberry shortcake. Anyways, bye.